Okay, so this section we wanted to talk about the systems of inequalities. Inequalities. So it's a very fun section. Okay, so listen to it carefully. So we wanted to graph a linear inequality into variable, a graph a nonlinear inequality into variable. Okay, so use mathematical models involving the linear inequality, graph a system of linear inequalities. So it's a lot of fun stuff here. Okay, so what will be an equation in the form ax plus by plus equals c? These are straight lines, yeah. And the inequality, what do we want it to do it here? You have bigger than, less than, bigger than or equal to, less than or equal to. So we do not talk about unequal. Is not equal to here, okay? So a solution of inequality into variables x and y is an ordered pair of real numbers with the following property. When x coordinate is substituted for x and y coordinate is substituted for y, and we obtain a true statement. This means the inequality hold. Okay, so then we will see, okay, so it satisfies the inequality here. Okay, so this is what a very important definition here. Okay, so the graph of the inequality into variable is a set of all the points whose coordinates satisfy the inequality here. Okay, so how could we graph the linear inequality? First, we replace the inequality with the equal. Okay, so we will graph the equal thing. This means graph the line first. Okay, so if the original inequality contains what? Contains less than or equal to, this means what? Less than or equal to or bigger than or equal to, you draw a solid line. If it's a dashed line for what? Less than or bigger than. So what does this mean? A solid line means what? Include the line. And a dashed line means what? Does not include this line. Yeah, so less than or bigger than, this means not include. Okay, and then the second part is a very important one, is choose a test point from one of the half planes. Okay, so choose a test point. Typically, if you have 0, 0 there, yeah, if you have the orange in there, choose 0, 0 because the calculation is very easy, yeah. So if 0, 0 is not on the line, then choose what? 0, 0. That's easy. And if a true statement results, then seed the half plane containing the test point. And then if it's not, if it's a false statement results, then seed the other half plane. Okay? So what should we do with this one? So 4x minus 2y bigger than or equal to 8, yeah? So 4x minus 2y equal to 8, yeah? Graph the equality first. And you can find the x-intercept and find the y-intercept. X-intercept means what? Y equal to 0. Y-intercept means what? Your x equal to 0, yeah? So you get x equal to 2, y equal to negative 4. Because here is bigger than or equal to. So what kind of line should we have? Solid line. Okay, so you have x equal to y equal to negative 4. This is a solid line, yeah? Are you with me? So what is the test point do you want to choose here? Is 0, 0 on the line? No, yeah, so is 0, 0 is not on the line. Then what will you do? Test value is what? 0, 0. So what does this mean? So you put a 0, so 0 minus 0 bigger than or equal to 8. This means 0 bigger than or equal to 8. True or false? False. Yeah? So what does this mean? Do we want it 0, 0? No. So which area do we want to say it here? Is the area that is not containing 0, 0. Okay? That is the area not containing 0, 0 here. So we use the test point. Okay, so no, this is not the graph. Okay, so the graph is right here. Are you with me? Are you with me? So the picture didn't choose so good here. Okay, so okay, so the next example, x squared plus y squared bigger than or equal to what? 16. So what is x squared plus y squared equal to 16? That is a what? A circle with what? This is same with radius 4 and center at what? The origin, yeah? So similarly, what is the test value? 0, 0, yeah? So you can use what? 0 squared plus 0 squared bigger than or equal to 16. 0 bigger than or equal to 16. False again, yeah? So which part do you want to sit? So we do not want it to sit here. So we want it to sit outside, yeah? So we do not want it, you want to sit outside the circle, okay? So it's like a sun sign, yeah? Okay, so in China, when I was young, a kid, this is, my parents asked me to draw the sun sign is like this, okay? Okay, so because here, it's false. We do not want this, yeah? We do not want this, yeah? Okay? Yeah, forget about the picture here. The picture is not so nice for this one. Okay? So we wanted an application question. So the latest guidelines which apply to both men and women given healthy weight ranges rather than specific weights for your height. So if X represents height in inches, Y represents weight in pounds, the healthy weight region can be modeled by the following system of the linear inequalities. So 4.9x minus y has to be bigger than what? 165. 3.67x minus y has to be what? Less than or equal to what? 125. So you have to be bigger than this, otherwise you are too skinny. And you have to be less than this, otherwise, maybe it's too fat, yeah? Okay, so what should we do here? We want to show that the point is a solution. How could you check it is a solution? It means what? This is your x value, this is your y value. It has to satisfy both of the inequality here, yeah? So this means 4.9 times what? 66 minus what? 130 has to be bigger than 135. Okay, so you substitute and then you get, oh, it's true. And then you 3.7 times 66 minus 130 is also true. Then what does this mean? This is a solution. You have already proved. Okay, you have already proved. You substitute x and y value, okay, with the ordered pair, and to show that it satisfies each of the inequality here. Okay, each of the inequality here. Okay, this means you show that, okay, so it is satisfy both inequality, then it is a solution. Okay, so the next one is graphing the system of the linear inequalities. So the solution set of system linear inequality in two variables is the set of all ordered pairs that satisfy each inequality in the system. Okay, how could you graph a system of linear inequalities in two variables? Then you wanted to begin graph of each individual inequality in the same rectangular ordinate system. Then find the region, if there is one, that is what? Common to every graph. What means common? Overlapping. Okay, so that overlaps to all these things. Then the region of this intersection or overlapping will give you the picture of the solution set. Okay, so now let's look at this. X minus 3y less than 6. 2x plus 3y bigger than or equal to 6. This is a line. This is a line too, yeah? Okay, and for less than, what kind of line do you have? dashed line. And bigger than or equal to, because you have equal to, solid line. Are you with me? So this you have to be super careful. So when x minus 3y equal to 6, you can find what x-intercept and y-intercept here. Substitute x. So here is x minus 3, 0 equal to 6. Then x equal to 6. That is your x-intercept here. 0 minus 3y equal to 6. So y equal to negative 2. That's your what? Y-intercept here. Okay. And then, is 2x plus 3 times 0 equal to negative 6. X equal to negative 3. So 0 plus 3y equal to negative 6. 3y equal to negative 6. Y equal to negative 2. You with me? So these are the x and y intercepts of each line. Yeah, so remember. So for the first line, this one is a dotted one. For the second one line is what? Is a solid line. Yeah, so now what are the test value? 0, 0, yeah. Okay, so for the first inequality, 0 minus 3 times 0 less than 6. So 0 less than 6, is this true or false? True, yeah. So what does this mean? We wanted the 0, yeah. So we wanted to seed the area with this one. With me? So then we wanted 0 here. 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 bigger than or equal to negative 6. This means 0 bigger than or equal to negative 6. Do you think this is true? Yeah. Okay, so this is true too, yeah. Okay, so then what will be the area of this one? So it will be all the things that contain 0, yeah. So what will be the area that for the solution of this linear system is where the overlapping. Are you with me? So where it overlap? It's right here, yeah. Yeah. This is where it's overlapping, yeah. Okay, both the pink and the red. Are you with me? So what will be the overlapping area? It's right here. Yeah. Okay, so that will be the solution. Okay, again, this picture, I think when you translate the picture from the book, it doesn't end up well. Okay, so this will be the area that you wanted to see. Okay, so that's the section, that's this section.